Thonet and Vander, a distinguished audio brand hailing from Germany, has steadily built a reputation for delivering high-quality sound products that combine sleek, European design with advanced technology, all while remaining accessible to mid-range consumers. Their comprehensive product lineup spans multiple categories, including bookshelf speakers, soundbars, portable speakers, headphones, and microphones, each designed to cater to diverse user needs, from personal entertainment and gaming to hosting dynamic social gatherings. Recently, Thonet and Vander partnered with its exclusive Vietnamese distributor, Network Hub, to host a workshop that offered local consumers and audio enthusiasts an immersive opportunity to experience these products firsthand. The event not only introduced attendees to the brand's standout speakers, headphones, and microphones but also communicated the company's strategic vision for expanding in the Vietnamese market. At the core of Thonet and Vander's approach is a philosophy centered around harmonizing innovation with practicality. The brand invests heavily in research and development to implement advanced audio technologies that elevate sound performance, while simultaneously focusing on delivering an intuitive user experience and stylish aesthetics. The emphasis on affordable pricing ensures that consumers can access premium-sounding equipment without facing prohibitive costs. Through its collaboration with Network Hub, Thonet and Vander aims to broaden its footprint in Vietnam, catering to the growing appetite for quality audio across various user segments from casual music listeners to serious gamers and content creators. This move aligns well with Vietnam's rising demand for modern entertainment solutions that blend sound fidelity, design, and functionality. A major highlight of the workshop was the showcase of Thonet and Vander's bookshelf speaker series, which includes several notable models such as the Kumpel 2.0, Vertrag, Kerbis, and Titan Cinema 2.0. These speakers are designed to bring refined, immersive sound to homes and workspaces, all while featuring minimalist yet sophisticated designs that complement contemporary interiors. The Kumpel 2.0 stands out as a compact bookshelf speaker, optimized for small spaces. Its uniquely angled stand allows the speakers to direct sound precisely, delivering vibrant, lively audio that fills rooms effectively despite its small footprint. The sleek, modern design ensures it integrates seamlessly into various environments, from cozy home offices to stylish living rooms. Following closely is the Vertrag model, which exemplifies minimalist European design. Available in black, wood brown, and white finishes, Vertrag provides users with options to match their decor preferences effortlessly. Its 46-watt power output supports bright, balanced sound reproduction that caters well to music, movies, and everyday media consumption, making it an excellent all-around performer for mid-range users. For those seeking a step up in both design and sound performance, the Kerbis speaker offers a more premium experience. This model impresses with detailed sound across a broad frequency range, including enhanced bass performance that adds depth to music and cinematic audio. Kerbis embodies the balance of aesthetics and sonic quality, appealing to audiophiles who value both form and function. The flagship bookshelf speaker at the workshop was the Titan Cinema 2.0, a powerhouse tailored for immersive home theater experiences. With a total power rating of 180 watts, the Titan Cinema 2.0 incorporates an 8-inch Kevlar subwoofer capable of producing deep, rich bass that is both powerful and refined. This subwoofer's Kevlar diaphragm excels at absorbing and reproducing detailed sound, resulting in clear, punchy low frequencies that elevate movies and gaming to new levels of engagement. Advanced noise reduction and full-range sound balancing technologies further refine the listening experience, ensuring minimal distortion and balanced audio across all volume levels. Alongside its sonic capabilities, the Titan's elegant and modern design adds a sophisticated touch to any living space, positioning it as both a performance centerpiece and a design statement. In addition to its larger speakers, Thonet and Vander offers a range of portable audio solutions designed for mobility without compromising sound quality. The Duet portable speaker is a prime example, featuring a compact, attractive design with multiple vibrant color options that appeal particularly to younger consumers who seek convenience and style. Despite its small size, the Duet delivers a bright, clear sound profile with a 10-watt output, making it suitable for casual music listening and movie viewing on the go. One standout feature of the Duet is its ability to pair two units wirelessly to create a stereo sound system, significantly enhancing audio immersion. Additionally, the speaker carries an IPX4 water resistance rating, allowing users to take it outdoors without worrying about splashes or light rain. For those who enjoy socializing and hosting events, the Stark Gen 2 portable speaker offers a different, more powerful experience. Boasting up to 250 watts of output, the Stark Gen 2 can fill outdoor spaces with dynamic, energetic sound. It also features a smoothly transitioning LED light system that syncs with the rhythm of the music, creating a visually engaging party atmosphere that complements the audio performance. This combination of power and aesthetics makes the Stark Gen 2 a perfect companion for lively gatherings and celebrations. Recognizing the importance of specialized audio gear for gamers and content creators, Thonet and Vander also introduced new headphones and microphones aimed squarely at these communities. The VX730 headphones deliver detailed sound reproduction with robust bass response, ideal for immersive gaming and multimedia experiences. Integrated LED effects add a stylish flair that complements gaming setups, while the comfortable design ensures long sessions without fatigue. Alongside these headphones, the VX320 microphone was showcased as a versatile choice for streamers and online communicators. Its modern, youthful design includes LED lighting, aligning with the aesthetics favored by the streaming community. More importantly, the VX320 delivers clear, professional quality audio capture, making it a reliable tool for live broadcasts, podcasts, or video calls. One of Thonet and Vander's defining strengths is its approach to pricing. The brand offers products at a wide range of price points, ensuring accessibility to a broad spectrum of users. Portable speakers start at just a few $100,000 Vietnamese dong, while entry-level bookshelf speakers typically range between $1 and $2 million dong. Premium models like the Titan Cinema 2.0 are priced above $8 million dong, still very competitive, given their performance and build quality. This pricing strategy means that consumers are no longer forced to choose between affordability and quality. Thonet and Vander provides options that deliver both. Whether a user is seeking a compact, portable speaker for casual listening or a sophisticated bookshelf system for immersive home entertainment, there are choices available to fit different budgets and needs. Thonet and Vander's workshop and partnership with Network Hub highlight the brand's commitment to establishing a meaningful presence in the Vietnamese audio market. As consumer awareness of quality audio grows, so does the demand for products that combine excellent sound, attractive design, and smart features. The brand's product lineup is well positioned to meet this demand, offering solutions that cater to a variety of lifestyles, from quiet personal listening and intense gaming sessions to social events and multimedia consumption. With ongoing investments in product development and local partnerships, Thonet and Vander aims to become a household name among Vietnamese consumers seeking high-quality, mid-range audio equipment.